Hey guys, Everything Apple Pro here, and as promised in this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock your iPhone 4S quite literally from any carrier worldwide, regardless of its status. So whether or not it's blacklisted, whether or not it's locked or in the middle of a contract, this will work. Now the tool we're going to be using is GPP. Now don't panic guys, out of all the other ones that I have tried, RSIM 8, RSIM 7, there was actually another tool. None of them work. The GPP is the only one that works every single time for any iPhone that I have tried. And I will go ahead and show you guys that it does work. I'll run through the process and I'll show you guys where you can buy it. I'm not going to be dealing with these myself, but I will link you guys to a place where you can get them for a good price, anywhere from $15 to $20. Now I know it's not a factory unlock, but for many people a factory unlock is not an option. First of all, maybe the service isn't even offered, and if it is, say for example for a carrier like Sprint in the USA, it's $140 to $150 to unlock. Now do you really want to pay that kind of money for an iPhone that's worth barely $200 to $250? I mean, I wouldn't. So this unlock, 15, 20 bucks, and you can get it working on the latest iOS 6.1.3 firmware. This also works on 6.1.2, 6.1, 6.0.2, 6.0, so basically any iOS 6 firmware, and it works great. I mean, you don't need a jailbreak, you will not lose any data while doing this. And I know this video is going to be a bit long guys, but I just want to make sure you guys get everything and get all the info so you don't have any questions at the end. Now it is very likely that this will be supported in iOS 7 because this company does release patches every time a new firmware update is released, so it is very likely it will be supported in the new firmware. Now it does support 3G and 4G speeds. As you can see, I have 3G using this GPP SIM, and I don't have 4G in the area, but it does work with 4G. Now this will also work on these carriers. I just want to show you as a little example. I'm saying it will work on all carriers, but just as an example, I can confirm it will work on Verizon and Sprint for sure. I mean, I do have it working on my Verizon 4S, which I'll show you in just a second, but it will also work on blacklisted iPhones. So if your 4S has been reported stolen, the bill wasn't paid, you can get it to work with any GSM SIM card. Now you won't be able to activate it on, say, Sprint or Verizon, but you will get it to work on T-Mobile, Simple Mobile, Straight Talk, so all of that good stuff. Okay, just to show you real quick, this is my 4S. It's actually my first 4S that I've ever owned, and as you can see right here, it is the 99 baseband. And if you guys did not know, if you factory unlock a Verizon, if you do dish out 140 to 150 bucks Verizon or Sprint, you can't actually use it in the USA after unlocking. You have to ship it and sell it internationally because it will not work the factory unlock with USA sellers. Now what's great about the GPP is that it will work with all USA SIM cards after you do unlock it, say a Verizon or Sprint 4S. Now guys, if you are satisfied with what you hear, if you do want to get your 4S unlocked with a very reliable solution, go ahead and click on the link down below in the description and order your GPP, or you guys can find them on eBay. They're like $15, I do believe. However, be careful, you don't want to buy a fake. So the link down below is $20 to Miami iPhone Repair. I mean, they're a very good company. That's where I got mine, and I can guarantee that it does work from over there. Anyways, once you do have that ordered, I'm going to go ahead and run through the process and show you how to get your GPP working on your iPhone 4S. I just want to say I am working very hard to try and find a unlock that will work on the iPhone 5, for Sprint carrier, Verizon carrier, any iPhone 5, and I'm actually having a lot of difficulty with this. It was a lot easier with the 4S. I mean, there wasn't much to try in the first place, but with iPhone 5, there's so many tools out there, and I'm trying to narrow it down and get something working for you guys because I know the demand is very high. Anyways, stay tuned. I will update you guys on the iPhone 5 unlock. Now inside every package is this little card, and this card basically tells you where to go to download the application that we do need to get this unlock working, and you will have your activation code where my thumb is right now. Anyways, so you guys want to go ahead and download the necessary application, and with that download, and go ahead and insert the RSIM with your SIM card of choice into your iPhone. It does not matter if you are on your activation menu. If you can't get past that, this will allow you to bypass that. So with that inside, go ahead and run the netterteam.exe file. Now this is what it will look like. Go ahead and select install patch, and there you go guys. So after your iPhone does reboot, go ahead and set it aside, give it a couple minutes, of course with your carrier of choice SIM card inside, and it will locate the service. So I found that this is a very reliable unlock. It does work for the many iPhone 4Ss I have tried, unlike the RSIM 8. I just wanted to mention, if you guys do have an AT&T iPhone and you're sure it's an AT&T iPhone, you can unlock it for $5 right here. It's a very easy thing to do. It's a factory factory unlock, that means it's permanent. So unlike this, it will work forever. I just wanted to let you guys know that it is much easier for AT&T iPhones. Anyways guys, enjoy the unlock. I hope this video did help. I appreciate any support you guys do give me, so thank you for everything. Anyways, enjoy the unlock guys. Have a great day. Peace.